जय श्रीमन्नारायण। अरण्यकांड। Sriramachandra Swami shooted 1,000 arrows upon Khara and peeled out him. At that time, Khara, while his entire body is bleeding, he is now running towards Ramachandra Swami. Tameva abhyadravadrutam. He is again in a very high speed. He is going to attack Ramachandra Swami. At that time, Khara is looking so fearful, dreadful. Then Ramachandra Swami felt that there is no enough time even for him to put his arrow in the bow and shoot at him. And also, Ramachandra Swami felt so disgusted that Khara might fell on him with all that blood. With that kind of feeling, Ramachandra Swami put 1 foot behind. He went back 1 foot. Apasarpat pratipadam kinchit tvarita vikramaha. In a very high speed, he just went 1 foot back, stepped back, and then he shooted a powerful arrow which is given to him by Devendra. That arrow went and got stuck in the chest place of Khara. That arrow started bringing so many flames. In that flame, in that fire, Khara got completely burnt out and fell down. Hataha Kharaha, Khara got killed. Then all the Maharshis, Rajarshis, they all came down and started appreciating Sri Ramachandra Swami and also saying that, Ho Rama, etadardham mahateja mahendraha. Sometime back you have seen that Devendra came to Sarabhanga ashramam. Both of them were talking. They were planning, they were making a plan so that you would come here and you would kill all these Rakshasas. That is what they planned. Oh Rama, Dasarathatmaja, you have done such a very great favorable work for every one of us. Now, from now onwards, in this Dandakaranyam, all the Maharshis, Sukham, Dharmam Cherishyanti, they will be peaceful and they will be happily doing their righteous activities. Like that, all the Maharshis, Rajarshis, appreciating Sri Ramachandra Swami for the great favor that Ramachandra Swami has done to Maharshis. Ramachandra Swami killed Khara. Then all the Devatas, Gandharvas, Charanas, they came down and while doing so many wonderful instruments and sounds, all of them showering so many flowers, Pushpavarsham Samantataha upon Ramachandra Swami. They are all appreciating Ramachandra Swami because Ardhadika Muhurtena Ramachandra Swami within no time killed Khara, Dushana and 14,000 Rakshasas. All the Devatas are appreciating like Aho Bata Mahat Karma. Such a wonderful, what a great effulgence and valor Ramachandra Swami has and what a wonderful work Ramachandra Swami has done. Aho Viryam, Aho Dakshyam, Vishnorivahi Drusyate. They are all appreciating like this. Just like Sri Mahavishnu, O Ramachandra, you have shown your great valor, you have shown your great strength, and you have done such a wonderful work. Like this, all the Devatas appreciated and then disappeared from there. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.